Whether you're hiking, biking, surfing, or vlogging your next big adventure, you need a reliable, compact, and high-resolution action camera that won't break the bank. In this video, we'll cover the top 5 best action cameras on AliExpress in 2025, each one with powerful features like 5K video, dual screens, EIS stabilization, and waterproof builds, all under budget-friendly prices. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's dive in and capture every moment, no matter how fast or wild it gets. Number 1. CERASTES V11 Action Camera. Leading off the list is the CERASTES V11, a 5K and 4K 60 FPS action cam that gives you everything you need for high-intensity sports and stunning video content. With Wi-Fi connectivity, anti-shake technology, a remote control, and full waterproofing, it's designed for those who want hands-free, rugged recording in any environment. 5K plus 4K 60 FPS recording. EIS anti-shake. Wi-Fi plus remote control. Waterproof up to 30 Great for helmets, bikes, surfboards. Pros. Ultra smooth video even during motion. Remote control for hands-free shooting. Great build quality. For under $100. This is a powerhouse action cam perfect for sports and travel vloggers who want ultra-crisp footage and no-nonsense features. Number 2. Dual Screen 5K/4K 60 Action Cam. Next is a camera that gives you dual screens, including a front-facing screen, perfect for vloggers and selfies on the go. This model shoots in 5K at 30 FPS or 4K at 60 FPS with EIS image stabilization, a 48MP photo sensor, and Wi-Fi transfer. It also supports lens filters and works as a 1080p webcam, making it a versatile pick for creators. 2-inch IPS dual screens front plus back. 5K 30 FPS and 4K 60 FPS recording. 48MP photos. Supports filters and webcam mode. EIS stabilization. Pros. Excellent for vloggers. Crisp video and photo quality. Budget-friendly multi-use cam. This is a creator's dream camera, compact, crystal clear, and optimized for both action and talking headshots. Number 3. CERASTES 5K Dual Screen Sport Cam. Another strong contender from CERASTES, this dual screen 5K/4K 60 FPS action cam combines wide-angle recording, waterproof durability, and hands-free operation with a remote. With its 170 degrees field of view, it captures everything around you, from mountain trails to underwater adventures, and the EIS stabilization keeps the footage buttery smooth. 5K 30 and 4K 60 video. Dual screens great for selfies and vlogs. 170 degrees ultra-wide angle. Waterproof up to 30 Remote included. Pros. Great wide-angle performance. Dual screen is perfect for content creators. Remote adds lots of flexibility. This is a feature-packed action camera that checks almost every box for travelers, vloggers, and adrenaline junkies. Number 4. F6W Touchscreen Action Cam. Now let's talk about the F6W Action Cam, which brings a 2.2-inch touchscreen, wireless microphone support, and 8x zoom to the table. It shoots in 5K and 4K 60 FPS, offers dual screen control, and has excellent electronic image stabilization. With 30 waterproof depth, you can use it for diving, skiing, or just as a rugged travel camera. 2.2-inch touch LCD plus dual screen. 5K plus 4K 60 FPS video. 48MP stills. 8x digital zoom. Wireless mic compatible. Pros. One of the most user-friendly interfaces. Sharp images even in motion. Zoom and wireless mic make it vlogger-friendly. If you want touchscreen control, zoom, and vlog-ready features, the F6W is one of the most advanced mini action cameras in 2025. Number 5. Compact 4K Wi-Fi Action Cam. Last but not least is the compact 4K dual screen action camera, designed for casual use and travelers who want something simple, budget-friendly, and waterproof. It has 4K recording, dual screens, a touchscreen interface, and Wi-Fi connectivity to transfer video straight to your phone. For UHD video, touchscreen interface, dual screens front plus back, waterproof up to 30 meters, easy app integration. Pros. Super compact and lightweight, easy to use for beginners, great for diving and bike mounting. This is a no-fuss, easy-to-use action cam for daily adventures, travel, or even casual content creation. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best action cameras on AliExpress in 2025. From 5K Ultra HD to touchscreen vlogging cams, you've got options for every type of content creator or adventurer. All product links are in the description. Like this video if it helped, subscribe for more tech roundups, and comment below which camera fits your lifestyle best. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, life's better when it's caught on camera.